It's a 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX.
The boat is shown here with the black hull color and the black canvas, along with the brown infinity woven vinyl flooring, and on the outside there's a matching SeaDek on the swim platform. This boat features the elevation package, which includes the aluminum water sports tower and wakeboard racks. The power is supplied by a MerCruiser 4.5 MPI, 250 horsepower, coupled to a Bravo 3 Outdrive with dual stainless steel propellers. There is a bow table and a separate cockpit table, along with blue LED lighting in the cockpit. It has the Simrad Sonar CharPlotter with the 5-inch screen display. The stereo sound system is the Fusion package. That's 4 Fusion speakers, 2 in the bow compartment and 2 in the cockpit.